Okay, this is what stand-up paddling on Guam has come to. Real tiny day here at Tumon Bay, with all kinds of different characters that are interested in the sport, from experienced paddlers to parents, fathers with their children, mothers with their daughters, and siblings, all kinds of folks, which expresses a necessity for water safety. How's it going, sir? Good, man. Having a good time. Oh, right on, dude. Yeah. Hey, there's some manta rays out there too, man. Are there? Yeah, they're totally friendly too, so you're all good. You might catch it. And all right. So begins the chapter, the video, the necessity for stand-up paddling safety awareness. All right, here we go. Rock and roll. Guam Waterman's Club all day.